Okay, so I just dove into this library called scikit-opt, and it's packed with optimization algorithms like genetic algorithms and particle swarm optimization.
Wait, seriously, optimization algorithms. That's fascinating. How exactly does scikit-opt approach these problems?
Well, it offers a bunch of pretty cool features, like user-defined functions for customizing algorithms. I mean, you can really tailor them to your needs.
That's interesting, but doesn't that assume users already have some coding knowledge? It might be a barrier for newcomers.
Good point, but think about it. Having that flexibility can also attract advanced users who want to experiment.
True, customization is big in programming. So, what are some of the specific algorithms they include?
There's genetic algorithms, particle swarm optimization, simulated annealing, you name it. Plus, they're adding GPU support for faster computations.
GPU computation. That's pretty exciting, but how does that improve optimization?
It drastically speeds up the processing. Imagine solving a complex problem in minutes rather than hours.
Whoa, that could really change the game for researchers. But I wonder about the learning curve. Does it provide enough documentation?
Yeah, the documentation looks solid. They've even got examples for beginners to follow along.
That's reassuring. I always get skeptical when libraries promise ease of use but fall short on guidance.
Right? I felt the same way initially, but the examples really help demystify the process.
Speaking of demystifying, how does the library handle constraints in optimization problems?
It allows users to define constraints, both equalities and inequalities, which is crucial for practical applications.
That's powerful, but does it support nonlinear constraints as well?
Absolutely, users can define those complex constraints, which opens up a whole new level of problem solving.
That's impressive. It seems like scikit-opt really caters to a wide range of optimization needs.
For sure, and it doesn't stop there. There's also the ant colony algorithm and immune algorithm for specific tasks.
Wow, I didn't realize there were so many algorithms. How do you think users choose which one to use?
It likely depends on their specific problem. For example, genetic algorithms work well for complex search spaces.
That makes sense, but I wonder if there's a downside to using so many different techniques.
Good question, more options can lead to confusion. Users might get overwhelmed by choices.
Exactly. And then there's the risk of users misapplying an algorithm if they're not careful.
Right? It emphasizes the need for a solid understanding of optimization principles before diving in.
So, do you think scikit-opt is suitable for both beginners and experts?
I think it's geared more towards those with some experience, but the documentation helps bridge the gap.
That's fair. It sounds like it could be a great learning tool as well.
Definitely, plus, the community support could help users navigate the complexities.
Community support is a huge plus. Are there forums or discussions related to scikit-opt?
Yes, they have discussions on GitHub where users can ask questions and share experiences.
That's awesome. Building a community around a library can really enhance the user experience.
It really does, and it encourages collaboration, which is essential for growth in open source projects.
I feel like this library is just the beginning of a new wave of optimization tools.
Agreed, plus, with advancements in AI, who knows what the future holds for optimization techniques.
Exactly. It's like we're just scratching the surface of what's possible.
So, what do you think? Are you tempted to try out scikit-opt?
Definitely. I want to see how it compares with other optimization libraries I've used.
Let's do it together. We can document our findings and share them with the community.
That sounds like a plan. I love the idea of contributing back to the community.
Right? It makes the whole journey more rewarding. Let's dive in.
Can't wait. This is going to be fun and enlightening.
Absolutely, who knows what we might discover along the way.
Exactly. The possibilities are endless when it comes to optimization.
All right, let's get to it. We've got a lot to explore.
Here, S to new adventures in optimization.
Cheers to that. Let's make some magic happen with scikit-opt.